So hello everyone. Today I will be sharing one of the projects that I have worked on. The name is Outbreak Watch. So these are the contents that I will be sharing. For introduction, Outbreak Watch is a web application designed to visualize and track global health data related to various illness. It's a full stack project that I will be sharing in the next slide. Technology stack. As you can see, for frontend I have used React. For backend I have used Node.js and Express, and for database I have used Postgres. For features, users can do CRUD operations on countries as well as on illnesses. Data sources. The world map I am using here is designed with SVGs, that is provided by Dr. Angela Yu. These are the data sources, the tables that I have taken: countries, visited countries, and users. Technical implementation. I will be sharing this while running the code. Challenges, future improvements, and conclusion. Okay. As I have said, for the front end part I have used React, and you can see the dependencies here. Okay, so for backend you can see the dependencies here. Let's run the code. Well, these are the illnesses that is already stored in the database. Like for HIV, 4 countries are selected. If I select another country, it's showing country has already been added. As you can see here, country was previously there. First, let's remove it. As you can see, it's removed and it's added. Okay, let's go to cancer. Let's take Canada. As you can see, the total country is increased by 1 and the Canada is marked in yellow. Now let's add a new disease. Let's call it COVID. Let's give it purple and add. As you can see, illness added successfully. If I try to add it again, and give it any other color, you can see it will not take, because it's checking these things in the backend. Illness already exists. So coming to home, you can see it's coming back to COVID. If I start, you can see total country is increased. Like this, it will work. And if I do remove without giving any name, you can see country doesn't exist. It will remove, and if I give any name that is not selected, you can see it will show country is not selected. Okay, for removing disease, it's removed successfully. If we come here, we can see it's not there anymore. If we try again, you can see the error is printed here. Well, that's my project. Thank you.